how can you turn the timer sound up on the iPhone, and let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first, go to the clock app where you have the timers. Make sure that when a timer ends, you have some sound selected. So, it can be to stop playing, but make sure to select like a dedicated sound for it. But the volume isn't adjusted in the clock app, but instead in the settings app. So go to the main settings of the iPhone, scroll to the sounds and haptics, and a part of that at the top of the list, we can see ringtone and alerts. So this is the controller for not the music volume, but for the alerts. And of course, the timer is considered to be an alert. So it is in that category, and this is the slider which adjusts and changes the volume or how loud your timer, alarm, and notifications are. So this is where you can bump it up. That's how it works. Again, it's independent from the music controller and the volume in the control center. That's a separate thing. So this is where you can find it. I keep mentioning in these types of videos that you can also change it with buttons, because if you want to adjust it many times over, it would make sense to enable this option. And that means that you can come back to the home screen, use the physical volume buttons on the iPhone, and control not the content volume, but instead the volume of your alarms, timers, and all of that kind of thing. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know in the comments if you managed to set it up. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you then.